Wings, a symbol of freedom, boundless sky. But sometimes they tangle in fishing lines, soccer nets, barbed wire. No magic here, just one moment deciding life or death. True stories of broken wings and hands that refuse to let go. This sparrow had a major internal GPS crisis, crashing around the house like chicken versus wall. Luckily, a smart dog witnessed the chaos and gently scooped him up, taxiing him outside. An unforgettable ride. This owl sank deeper into his mud spa, panicking. A kind guy used a shovel to gently scoop him up. After medical care, his round, bewildered eyes made everyone want to adopt him instantly. Nearly exhausted from 2 crows attacking it, this red-billed jay was saved when the man chased the crows away. He then gave it water and stayed for hours to ensure it could fly home safely. Its leg caught in a steel fence for days, this owl grew weaker without food. A farmer found it using cutters to free each trapped wire. It cooperated calmly, then soared off into the sky. Bald eagles can attack humans if threatened, yet this man didn't hesitate approaching one stuck in mud. Keeping distance while backing away, he pulled it toward shore, clearing caked mud, a contribution deserving recognition. This pelican lived a fisherman's nightmare, its catch lodged in its throat, drifting downriver like a zombie. It swam straight to a man for help. After an impromptu surgery, the stubborn fish finally came out. Getting tangled in fishing line wasn't on this blue heron's agenda. It just wanted to fish, only to get caught itself. Luckily, a kayaker paddled by, freeing this reluctant fishing buddy from an awkward situation. Bald eagles lack waterproof feathers like seabirds. Once soaked, this one was grounded. Spotting a boat with its ramp lowered, it gave the man a pointed look. He steered closer, and the eagle boarded like a passenger. "Don't be ridiculous," the mother swan screeched, unaware her chick was stuck in a fence. The suspect patiently freed it anyway, gently setting it down. Go find your parents. A wrongly accused hero, unthanked. Amid brutal freezing weather, a young eagle clawed desperately at a window, begging for help. Startled, the woman gasped and rushed to open it, using a hairdryer to warm its frozen feathers. Quick winter thinking. This eagle trapped itself in a maze of branches dozens of feet up, an aerial escape room. Since yanking it free wasn't an option, the team trimmed branches carefully, like defusing a bomb with talons. After a grueling journey, throat parched, this red-tailed eagle staggered to a rest stop where someone served it water directly. No reservation, just one long, satisfying drink after a tough trek. An ordinary Kentucky morning turned unusual when a homeowner spotted a bald eagle in distress, unable to fly. After a timely rescue, it recovered over a few days before returning strong to the skies. On a vast beach, a young eagle lay weak in the sand, needing help. A kind young man brought it home, giving dedicated care daily, as if cradling a piece of the sky itself. While Canada geese sunbathed by shore, one goose's leg got caught. A zoo rescuer spotted it, gently grabbed the goose, and snipped the line free. Once loose, it paused a beat before rejoining the flock. This pigeon got stuck in a narrow door gap, struggling only pulling it deeper. The kind girl gently freed it with a stick, thrilled to show off her catch, a bit too obsessed with her rescue. An owl stuck in barbed wire looked pleading for help. Two girls approached carefully with towels, gently freeing each tangled feather. A small act, brave and delicate enough to deserve real admiration. Wide-eyed and dazed, this owl's leg and wing were tangled in a soccer net, the most painful offside of its career. The guys sacrificed the net to free it. It flapped off, skipping celebration. Not a kung fu grip, but this snow-covered fence locked the swan's head tight despite it struggling. Yet all it took was the man nudging its head slightly forward. No wrestling needed. Cool heads solve big problems. Its injured wings soaked. This pigeon had no strength to fly, drifting helplessly downstream. A little longer, it could have become a predator's meal. Luckily, a passing boater spotted it and scooped it up with an oar. Tangled in branches and netting on the lake, this swan hung its head helplessly. The man waded in without hesitation, carefully picking loose netting from its feathers, then let it go home to its family. In a city park, a Canada goose stood out with an odd hopping routine, actually fishing line tangled around its leg. A sharp-eyed visitor cut it loose in seconds. The goose rejoined the flock like nothing happened.